Hi, this is Ranadeep Madhu. I've come up with another video. This time is the video is on management, operational management. So you have seen my earlier video on operational management in Paradip port location. So there are two part: Paradip port location, operational management one, operational management two. So this time this is another talk on operational management, and the talk is based on supply chain management of LPG products. So basically, I was in Gopanari plant for 3 years from 2021 to till 2024. So the Gopanari plant is a LPG bottling plant. Basically, manufactures different variants of LPG products, 14.2 kg, which we receive at home on regular basis, and which Pradhan Mantri tends to give subsidy or free of cost to BPLs, below poverty line uh, citizens. And there is another variant which we call it 19 kg variant, then 5 kg variant, 10 kg variant. 10 kg variant is now is on the rise because it has a better look in terms of aesthetic appeal, if I am talking about. And then 50 kg, 70 kg, and so on and so forth, which are being used in industries, for various industry, be it tea manufacturing industry. So I was in Assam, so most of the industrial LPG products was basically in that range, 70 kg, 120 kg, and so on and so forth, for running tea industry. So anyway, the today's talk is all about supply chain management of LPG products. Primarily, I will be talking about 14.2 kg because this is a domestic cylinder which actually comes at our home. So if I talk about the supply chain management of LPG products, and in that the first comes the product life cycle. So in product life cycle, that is sourcing and procurement. So basically, the LPG products, the raw material of LPG products uh, is being procured from refineries, and thereafter it is being sent to plant, and wherein it is being refilled to iron cylinders of 14.2 kg, and thereafter cylinders, as well as plastic cylinders, and thereafter it is being sent to vendors. Now these vendors meaning dealers. So basically it will be reaching the dealers. So dealers will be filling up the warehouse. So there will be inventory management in at dealers place, or warehouse management at dealers place, and thereafter from dealers point of place it will be sent to end customers or Aam Aadmi's house. So there are two type of logistics, as I have already been mentioned. Most of the logistics in other industry is still retailers point, which you will see in petrol, diesel of Indian oil at petrol pump station. But gas, Indian oil gas logistic is completely till Aam Aadmi's doorstep, and that is the beauty of Indian oil logistic. And Indian oil actually knows its end customers till doorstep through Aadhaar card. So basically, what happens is that the Indian oil would be giving subsidies to gas LPG gas holders through bank account with the help of Aadhaar account. So Aadhaar account is linked with bank account, and you know bank account that Aadhaar account is basically is a fingerprint and face ID. So Indian Oil knows its customers fully till its doorstep. So Aadhaar account is basically will be giving the address of the citizens or Aam Aadmi as well. So you can understand our logistic, the Indian Oil's logistic is still each and everybody's house. So that is the beauty of Indian Oil's logistics. Others in the industries logistics not that much refined or that much prominent enough to reach Aam Aadmi's house. So anyway, so the second logistic which starts from dealer's place, and it will be reaching to Aam Aadmi's house with the help of Aadhaar account or Aadhaar account using small rickshaw type van or toto. So that is the entire step. And in between the manufacturing part, if you talk about, then in plant the truck will be unloading the empty cylinders. There will be each truck will be carrying around 306 14.2 kg cylinders will be unloaded at the various chains and from that change it will be fed to the various carousels. Carousel is a round like circular structure wherein the refilling activity of LPG gas into the 14.2 kg cylinders takes place. So in our place there were two carousels, 24 into 24 and 48 carousels. So in one circular motion around 48 14.2 kgs or its variants will be refilled at a time. So amazing production line. So I'll show you the video, a part of it, and you'll understand that through this and it is absolutely automatic in nature. First it will be unloaded on the chain, and that from that chain it will be washed, and then it refilling activity will be carried out on the carousel or circular place. So I'll show you the video. So prior to that you have to wear your uh, normal dress, or which we call PPF or PPE cloth. I forgot the exact name. So there will be a helmet, and obviously if you want to protect your eye, there will be a sunglass along with normal uniform, which will be complete one set uniform. Pant and shirt will be completely combined with the help of a chain. So this is the outfit which you have to wear it prior to go for plant operation inside the filling shed. So I'll show you the entire video. So at a time you can load in one cycle in two trucks, so around 700 cylinders can be filled in 1 hour. So that is the entire entire operational what do you call in operational terminology, the turnaround time means once you have unloaded the entire bottle products, and then you have once again reloaded that filled bottle products onto your truck. So turnaround time is around one hour, and with that you can entirely 1 hour means around 700 306 around 712 cylinders will be refilled within 1 hour. So absolutely automatic in nature. So I'll show you the carousel form also. You'll appreciate the kind of automatic operational activity takes place inside Indian Oil bottling plant. So stay tuned and enjoy the video as well. So this is the carousel wherein automatic refilling of 14.2 kg cylinders. This is the iron made cylinders. Nowadays 10 kg plastic cylinders or polythene cylinders are being used because it has more aesthetic appeal. And now this carousel has the ability to load or refill around 24 cylinders at a time. So in a truck is having around 300 cylinders. So in 1 hour it will be refilling one truck completely. So that is the amazing automatic operational activity at plant. Now once the cylinders are refilled, one truck will be ready to be out of the plant. So the exit of the truck from the plant takes place in different forms. So after 8 o'clock they will be placed at the parking place, and in next morning shift around 6 o'clock they will be allowed to get out of the plant. So at night they are not allowed to release the truck because of security concern, but in case of nearby approach, then they are allowed to leave. So that is the exceptional case, but most of the time they are being allowed to exit early in the morning. And once the truck reaches the dealer's place, there are two types of possibilities happening. One is the previous received products, that is 14.2 kg products, would be having some sort of problem. So they will be once again resent to the plant, and from the same truck, and the truck which has arrived at the dealer's place, therein unloading activities of 300 cylinders will be taking place, and once again that truck will be resent to plant's place with the bad products of 14.2 kg. So they would be having a two-way entry. So for that they are always registered at SAP at dealer's point as well as at plant's location place, and entire journey is GPS based, position is satellite navigation based, and so they are being always told when to reach, how to reach, and where there will be halt, and where how where would be a possibility of mishap, and starting point and ending point are already being decided through SAP. SAP is enterprise resource planning management system through which they are able to intimate the entire journey of trucks from dealer's point till plant's point, or the vice versa. So very simple. And once the products, unloaded products at dealer's point being done, those products will be to sold to end customers place, that is Aam Aadmi's place, based on requirement, based on requirement of Aam Aadmi. So Aam Aadmi can raise the requirement in various form. The immediate form is that they can go to the dealer's place, dealer's shop, and get the cylinder. They can either use telephone or smartphone activating IVRS, interactive voice recording system. And the third way is that through smartphone Indian Oil app, they can easily register booking a cylinder at their location. So three ways they can easily get the cylinder. So very simple, and if the gas cylinder will be delivered at their doorstep. So this is that in most of the logistic firm in other industries, if we talk about, then you will see that there will be problem at the last mile connectivity. So last mile connectivity issue is always there in other logistics, other industries logistics, but in Indian Oil logistics, the logistics is complete in nature. That is not a single problem occurs in between dealer's point and customers end customers point. So that is the beauty of Indian Oil's logistics, and rest is absolutely smooth and fine. So that's all, very simple logistic of Indian Oil. And if you perhaps understood that the supply chain management of Indian Oil is very simple, right from sourcing of raw materials in the form of LPG products, manufacturing of LPG products in the form of refilling of all types of gas cylinders, LPG cylinders, 14.2 kg, 19 kg, and so on and so forth, and then smoothing the logistics, two types of logistics from plant's location till dealer's location, wherein warehouse management will be carried out, and from dealer's location to Aam Aadmi end customer's location, wherein the second part of logistics will be carried out. So absolutely smooth and fine logistics. So this is the simple supply chain management of Indian Oil Corporation Limited LPG products, and I believe that you must have understood and enjoyed the entire part. And if you do so, please subscribe my channel Ronnie's Identity in YouTube, and stay tuned for more updates and videos in the future. I wish you nice night. Bye.